Once Upon a Time, by Gabriel Okara, is a reflective and satirical poem that laments the loss of genuine human values in modern society. The poem is presented as a dramatic monologue in which a father speaks to his son, contrasting the sincerity of the past with the hypocrisy of the present. Through this contrast, Okara criticizes social pretense and moral decay while expressing a deep desire to return to authentic living. The poem opens with nostalgia as the speaker recalls a time when people were honest and warm. Once upon a time, son, they used to laugh with their hearts. This metaphor suggests that emotions were once sincere and unforced. However, this sincerity has been replaced by artificial behavior, as people now laugh only with their teeth while their eyes remain cold. The imagery highlights the emotional emptiness and insincerity that dominate modern interactions. A major subject of the poem is hypocrisy and artificiality in modern society. The speaker describes how people put on different faces depending on whom they meet. I have learned to wear many faces, like dresses. This metaphor shows how individuals change personalities to suit social expectations, abandoning their true selves in the process. Greetings have also lost their meaning, as people say goodbye while still asking polite questions they do not genuinely care about. Another important theme is the loss of innocence and moral values. The father admits that he has learned these artificial ways himself, showing how societal pressure forces individuals to conform. Lines such as, "I have learned to laugh with only my teeth," reveal that even the older generation has been corrupted by modern norms, creating a cycle of moral decline. Despite this, the poem ends on a hopeful note. The speaker appeals to his son, "So show me, son, how to laugh. Show me how I used to laugh and smile." This plea suggests that children still possess the innocence and sincerity adults have lost. The son symbolizes hope and the possibility of moral renewal. In conclusion, Once Upon a Time explores themes of hypocrisy, loss of sincerity, and the desire for moral restoration. Through vivid imagery and conversational tone, Gabriel Okara criticizes modern society while urging a return to genuine human values.